Previously, we have seen how we can append three tables into one table. So previously, we have created this table. I have kind of renamed it. So this now shows basically this starting from 2015 to 2017. But if we want to do the same thing using a folder, how we can do that? So for that, let me just open up my folder where I have all the data. So I will go here only I have all the data. So here what I will do, I will create a folder and I will name it like append folder or something like that, append folder. And what I will do, I will take this three data. Why this three data? Because I already know that this three data contains the exact same columns and the column names. So what I will do, I will just drag this and I will drop it in our append folder. I will do the same for 2016 and for 2017 as well. Now we have a folder called append folder, and what we can do, we can connect this folder also using Power BI. So how I will do it, let me show you. So I will go to the same spot, new source. I will go to, this time I will go to more instead of text and CSV. Now in here I will have one option called folder. Let it just open. Okay, so here you can see on the all tab we have an option called folder. So we will click on this and we will connect. So if you connect to this, and okay, we need to give the folder path. Let me just do that quickly. I will go to my documents. I will go to Power BI, UNP course, go to course one contents, go here, and I have an append folder and I will click on OK. So this is my folder path and I will click OK, and it will quickly show me a preview of what it is. So you can see the content type is binary. The name is actually the files that are contained in that particular folder. What is their extension? You can see all of them are in CSV format. You can see date accessed, when I have accessed the data, when I have modified the data, when I have created the data. Now we have the attributes, which is the records, and we have the folder path as well. What is the path of that particular data? Now all we need to do, we will just click on this transform data column, sorry, transform data option, and you see a similar kind of data that we saw in the preview. Now you see there is an, I mean, similar option we had seen when we saw the merge query option. So we have the similar kind of option. We will click on this, and if you click on this, it will show you a pop-up. Yeah, so you can see it will show you a pop-up, a preview of your data, how your data looks like. And you can see in the sample file option, I mean, you can choose a sample with which you can tell Power BI that look, this is my data, identify all the data types and everything, and append it, right? So you can choose the I mean, this is by default first file. You can choose whatever you want. I will choose, let's say, 2015, and all of these options I will not touch them. And you can see the preview is evaluating. I shouldn't have done that actually. Okay, so now the preview is loaded. What I can do, I can click on OK, and you will see similar kind of data will be created that we have created in here, right? So you can see, I mean, so many options are there, right? But here you will see the actual data that you have. So you can see in the order date, if I just expand it, and if I go to load more, you will see we have 2015, 2016 and 2017, all these three data, right? So this is how you can append based on a folder as well. So that's it for this video. See you in the next lecture.